City council members asking the head of the Department of Correction if conditions have improved on Rikers Island after another inmate death over the weekend, the 17th to die in custody this year, the most in a single year since 2013. Commissioner Luis Molina said a violence reduction plan, which includes increasing staffing and tactical searches, is getting results. DOC data reveals from January to November, 5,000 weapons have been recovered. Slashings and stabbings fell by 85% this November compared to last at the Robert N. Devoren complex, housing inmates under 22 years old. And a 50% decrease from this time last year at the George R. Vierno Center, housing the most violent individuals. In June, a federal monitor called for an action plan to assess if the city should maintain control of the jail. The federal monitor's latest report reads, quote, "The conditions in the jail remain dangerously unsafe, and the monitoring team remains gravely concerned about the alarming number of in-custody deaths, violence among people in custody, lack of an effective restrictive housing model, and various facets of the department's use of force practices and operational practices."
We are working to design and implement a restrictive housing plan to manage incarcerated individuals who have engaged in serious acts of violence and pose a heightened security risk to the safety of other persons in custody and to staff. As I have testified before, the response cannot be solitary confinement.
The commissioner says if nothing changes, the jail population could reach 7,000 by 2024. The mayor says conditions are improving.
Close Rikers now!
Yet a number of families and community members, including the public advocate, called for Rikers to close on the steps of City Hall ahead of the hearing.
They are primarily black and brown, primarily poor, and they're dying on a record's pace without even having had their day in court.